Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you some ways which will boost your battery life of your device. So without wasting any time, let's go to the video. The first way to boost your battery life is to charge smartly. And by smart, I mean when you're in a rush, only then you should be using a fast charger. Or else go with the normal charger which is provided in your box. And never let your phone on overnight charges, which will destroy the battery and it will mostly lead to the expansion of the battery, and it sometimes may explode too. And second way, you need to turn off your Bluetooth and Wi-Fi when not in use. And the third way is to use Wi-Fi rather than using your mobile data. For example, Wi-Fi drains lesser battery than your mobile data. And the fourth way is turning on airplane mode when you are really low on battery. For example, you don't have battery around when you're on a flight and you're traveling and there's very low charge on device. You can turn on airplane mode and you can connect to the Wi-Fi which is available nearby. The next thing which I'm going to tell you guys, which is the most important aspect which will drain your battery a lot of time. All of you guys must have downloaded Facebook, any app, or it'll come inbuilt in your phone when you buy a new phone. So you need to delete that app as soon as you like. I am doing it right now. I didn't know about that a bit before, but I'm gonna uninstall Facebook because you see a lot of notifications coming from Facebook which it runs in the background to give the notification to you, like you have memories to look back on today and all. So which will drain your battery life of your device. So instead, what you can do is you can just use Facebook like this. You can just use Facebook like this instead of downloading the Facebook app, which will restrict the background running. The seventh way to reduce your battery life, you need to check your battery consumption by each app, and for that you have to go to settings, go to battery, and go to view detailed usage for OnePlus devices. So I have been using a lot of my power on PUBG Mobile and all, but as you can see, my most of the battery usage has been over YouTube and games. For you people, it might be different. So should be adjusting your display refresh rate and all while you're using the device. So I might have set it to 60 Hz. Yeah, my display is set on 60 Hz, so that I'm experiencing a better battery life. And the last way to conserve your battery is by removing the animations like this. For example, when I unlock my device, I get an animation like this, which reduces a huge amount of battery life it uses for the animation. So instead of that, you can just go in for some non-live wallpapers. For example, now I'm unlocking the device. It's just a still wallpaper, not a live wallpaper. So it will drain my battery even more lesser. But I would like to utilize the full of my battery life, so I prefer the live wallpaper over the normal one. But this doesn't drain that much, but it'll affect your battery life in the long run. So guys, that's it for today's video. Please do like, share and comment below which part of the video you like the most, and sub to the channel would be nice.